you. So here is the bouquet that Jasmine chose because I chatted her on what the flower she likes. So she chose this one and it costs 680, and I also bought this one, the garland. So the garland costs 65 pesos, so a total of 745. So Jasmine chose these bouquets because it's her favorite color blue, and with a touch of pink. So cute. 감사합니다, 차지우님.
These are the graduates of 12 ABM B.
Ria's parents are here. Nicole!
Seats may this ABM ready now, ABM recession hall.
I never take the
here at Laboyo Restaurant. I am together with Jasmine, already graduated. Congratulations, Ate Jasmine. And also together with our family, the family of Andrea, my family, and also the family of Jasmine from Negros. Annyeonghaseyo. So, we will be having our dinner here. It's because it's a celebration for the graduation of Ate Jasmine and to the graduates as well, Andrea, and also to Andrea's brother. So, our dinner for tonight is sponsored by Chaji Hunim. 감사합니다. 잘 먹겠습니다. 섹사하세요. Okay, sige, ikaw na mo. Congratulations, Ate Yasmin. Congratulations, Ate Andrea. Congratulations, Kuya. Ikaw na mo. Nagawin ng birthday. Padulong pa ang juice. So we have the pancit. This is tradition of Filipino. Every celebration there's always pancit. So we also have kangkong, chicken for the kids, and bulalo. Father of Jasmine. Kailangan nyo magsising ya? Also, bulalo. Rice lang. Rice guys ha? Busog na kayo? Ikaw, Ate Nicole, rice. Ate Tria. Ikaw lang? Busog na ka? Rice, kuya. Ikaw pa. Busog na. So, congratulations, graduates, and 감사합니다, Chaji Hunim. Okay. Bye-bye. This is the receipt. 4,531. So, 감사합니다, Chaji Hunim. So, congratulations with your graduation. So, since yesterday we arrived home late at night because we have so much fun with our dinner. So, I forgot to give you the congratulatory money from your beloved sponsor, Chaji Hunim, for your graduation. So, congratulations!
Chaji Hunim, annyeonghaseyo, 감사합니다.
감사합니다, Chaji Hunim. Congrats, Ate Jasmine.
Thank you.
Andrea May Ogariando with honors. And third place, Division of Festival of Talent, Siniliksik. Chesta D. Eagle. Jomi A. Eagle. Juvie M. Maloloycon. Adrian O. Gariando.